Okay, in this simple script, I'm gonna show you batch script. I'm gonna show you how you can search for things in a folder. So in this program, I want to find what's in test folder 1 and test folder 2. So let me go there. So here's test folder 1, and there's subfolder test 1 and test 2. So it's going to search out what's in either of these test folders. So the first test folder is going to have the contents A to C. And the second test folder is going to have D, E, and F. So I'm going to test that out. So the first thing that I put CLS here so it clears the screen every time it goes back to start. After it goes back to this part and restarts the program or script. So I'm going to echo to the user, select the folder, and they could select from A to C. So echo A is going to be test folder 1, B is going to be test folder 2, C is going to exit out of the program, and I just put that in there, kind of like a little pause. You don't have to do that. It's not necessary. So set P select is what the user input. So it's going to be if just what they select is A, then it's going to go to test folder 1 right here, this, and if they selected B, then it's going to go to test folder 2, which is right there, test folder 2, and if it's C, then it's going to exit out of the program, which I put right here, Proexit, so it's just going to exit out of the program, so you could get out. And anything else, if it's not A, B, or C, A to C, then it's just going to go to start and restart the program again. And okay, so we're going to test the first condition. Let's say I selected A. Then it's going to, I put CLS again, so it doesn't matter. It's going to clear the screen every time. So echo find a folder from A to F for test folder, on test folder 1. So CLS, so it's going to ask me this for prompt, and user is going to enter a selection from A to F, and if A exists in this folder, then it's going to go to test 1A, which is right here, and this is going to open the folder that you're searching for. So if I selected A, then it's going to open this folder. If I selected C, it's going to open this folder, like that. So after that, it's going to state to the user, output to the user, was found here, here it is. And then it's going to pause for a minute, and you could press, it's going to pause until you press a key, and then it's going to go back to start. So let's say I selected B. That's going to go to test folder 2, test conditions 2. So it's going to ask again the same thing like in test 1. Find a folder from A to F. And then user will enter a, they're going to enter A to F. So if they selected C, let's say, in test folder 2, C does not exist, right? So it's going to go to else because it wasn't found. It's going to say the folder was not found. It's going to display that to the user, and then it's going to pause, and you can press any key to go back, and you can go back to start, and that's how it's going to be. And the next thing is, let's say you selected E in test 2. If I selected E, then it does exist. So it's going to go test 2A. and it's going to open the folder E, and then output this message to the user. Folder was found here. Folder was found here. Here it is. It's going to pause, and then until you press the key, and then it's going to go back to start. That's how it's going to work. Okay. So let's test it out. So I'm going to test one. A. This is test folder 1. So I'm going to select. I'm going to select C here. Oops, not there. Here. C. So folder was found here. It is. Folder was found here. It is. Okay. C opened. So this opened basically. And the next, I'll try another condition. So I'm going to go to B, A again. And I'm going to put F. Well, F doesn't exist in test folder 1. Right? So it's going to send me back. Let's go to A again. Let's put 6. Again, 6 doesn't exist in test folder 1 either. Now let's go to B. Test out, test folder 2. Okay. In test folder 2, I'm going to select from A to F. So I'm going to select B. Well, B does not exist in test folder 2. I'm going to go back to B again. I'm going to select F this time. Well, F was found. Here it is. It opened the folder. Right. And then just press any key to exit and just exit out of the program. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching.